What the best seller?
Our chicken sandwich is very popular.
Oh, alright. I tried one chicken sandwich.
Which one is it? Want to see it's based on original?
Original please. I don't have the spicy.
Not. Would you like to add fries?
Yes, medium please.
Alright. What would you like to drink?
What drink do you have?
We have iced tea, lemon, and iced coffee.
Alright, I'll try one lemon.
Which are one of sugar?
Just a little sugar.
Okay. Is that all for your order?
Yeah, that's all. How much is it?
The total is $12.
Here's the money.
Thank you. I prepare your order.